In this video, I will show you how you can generate glitch text for your Instagram ID, for your Instagram profile, for or Facebook profile or any other profile. You can generate glitch text by simply click on or go on this website. I will show you. The name of website is Cool Fonts. Right now we will go. Okay, then click on a glitch text generator. Any text ad and which you will see here generate as a glitch text. One of the best type glitch text generator. Now like, type here. My name is type here the any name like I am typing here your sweet name. Okay, your sweet name. Okay, now you can easily generate as you need, like how you want to make a glitch on your text. Okay, now I am giving 17. Okay, and here I am giving 8. Okay, now you will see like, and you can easily control your glitch. Like this, your profile like this. Okay.